All right, we're at this beautiful home up in Newman Lake, 5,600 square feet, custom built and now on the market. Got huge front room, floor to ceiling windows, gorgeously done kitchen, dining area with a food prep area separate. Nice storage pantry area. Nice craftsman design. Hand scraped wood floors. Office with a view. If it wasn't so cloudy, you'd be able to see for a long ways away. Master suite, gas fireplace. Again, views from this gorgeous home. Check out this master suite bath. Dual opposing sinks. Nice tub. Even the toilet area has a view. Huge shower. All nicely tiled marble. Opposing rain shower. 3 shower heads. Plus multiple other attachments in the shower there. His and hers walk-in closets. Hers obviously much larger than his, since girls always have more shoes and clothes. Hey guys, doing some little video interviews today. Nice half bath here. All that plus a full basement. As I mentioned, 5,600 square feet. Got theater room. The huge theater screen. Movie projector. Another fireplace down here in the theater area. All set up to have a bar installed for entertaining. Boys' room here. And again, daylight basement, so all nice big egress windows with nice views. Another laundry facility down here, as well as the one upstairs. Dual sinks in the downstairs bath. Got a little girls' room as well. And guest quarters. Nice huge window looking out at the fire pit, all plumbed for barbecue and kitchen prep area. And downstairs guest quarters has its own bath suite. And this is on 10 acres with trails to ride your ATVs, dirt bikes, explore, and it sits on top of the hill looking back at Liberty Lake, Spokane Valley, and towards Coeur d'Alene. And another kids play area downstairs, living area, covered patio area here. As well as another bath facility, storage. Again, this is Liberty Lake off Harvard Road, actually Newman Lake, just across the prairie from Liberty Lake. Great area, great home, beautifully done. All the details done as a nice craftsman home. Wainscoting, walls, accents in this home are beautiful. That's it for our tour.